Any family-owned business, 50 years, I think that's something you can be very, very proud of. I went to work for a company called J.C. Gordon, who was they were in the sound and the intercom business. And then we evolved from there and decided to start our own business. And the name Tech, there was three of us. There was Taylor, Eckert, Canova. We'll add the letter H for help. And that's how we got the name Tech. Where we started was in the building, what we now call Building B on Manchester Avenue. And we were situated between a bar and a gun shop. And I always told my wife that if things didn't work out, I could either get drunk or shoot myself. So, but with luck at it, we were successful over the years and things have worked out for us.
When we started with Tech, one of the things that was, we started with the focus of electronics, and that was, we were known as Tech Electronics, and my dad always thought about electronics being, it kept us, it wasn't too focused, it allowed us to continue to expand our services. And we started in the 60s with that. And then in the late 80s, we started really seeing the emphasis of communication systems. That was the next evolution of our industry.
We were a sound and communications company. As we grew, we kept expanding to other things that we thought our customers needed.
The customer was dictating what markets we should enter. And that's what we did.
The next big transition that we've seen in our industry was the release of Internet Protocol. What IP did for us, or for the customer really, was it allowed all of our systems for the first time to become fully integrated in a common data infrastructure. And that changed everything for us. What Tech does today as a technology services organization, we provide that bridge to deliver tools and solutions to the new customer needs. One of the things that we realized is that we just couldn't limit ourselves in a specific geographic location. So now we can provide a single partner for them to not only support their offices in St. Louis and Columbia, but now in other cities. And our hope is as we continue to look at the future, we want to continue that expansion. One of the things that was always really important as we transitioned from my father to myself as president of Tech Electronics, and I think with any business, what keeps things focused is the principles of doing business. And one of those principles that we often talk about at Tech is how do we make improvements, and our commitment to continuously improve. And our saying is that we improve from the customer in, not Tech out.
Through the years, things have changed, but really what our company does really hasn't changed. We still provide solutions based on technology. That's what we did then, that's what we do now.
Changing the brand, it's not a matter of changing our company. It's about reaffirming what our employees have done over the course of the last 50 years. And it's a recommitment to our customers about who we are for the future. And that's what's really important, is that this isn't a matter of change, it's a matter of evolution. Our mission, simplified, is to help our customers work smarter, feel safer, and collaborate more effectively. We wanted to clarify, what have our employees done over 50 years? What's differentiated us? What is the thing that Tech is all about? So we clarified it in 5 core customer commitments. Our first customer commitment, we put people before products. We're not in technology for technology's sake, we're in technology for the person. If it doesn't add value for the employees of our customers, it adds no value whatsoever. Our second core commitment is quite simply, we say, every room in every building. And what that means is that as customers evolve, as the building and technology evolve, we want to be there with them. Number 3 is technology changes, we're steadfast. And as a family business, my father was really important that we instilled a company based on principles. And those principles never change.
Whether by word or by action, our company has always been driven with Jim Canova's philosophy of it's all about integrity, it's all about honesty, it's all about respect for others.
Our fourth customer commitment is that we know our stuff. Our employees just want to continue to learn, to support that technology so that way they can provide better services for our customers. Our fifth customer commitment is quite simply, we're an extension of you. And that's really the partnership. And we know that in order to provide the solutions for our customers, we have to truly understand the industry that they're in and the needs of that individual customer.
We can customize things to our customers' needs and provide business solutions so that they really get to appreciate what we bring to them as value.
The customer relationship to tech is everything. We want to do what is right for the customer, and we avoid being the yes person, because sometimes they will ask for things that maybe over the long term isn't good for their benefit. So what we try and do is provide the best system at the best value.
So our tagline that we came up with is the power of connection and protection. And that's what we provide to the customer, is providing the technology that enhances their connection with people and things and information, as well as the protection of those same critical elements to any business. So in developing our new logo, we wanted to connect that into our tagline, the power of connection and protection. Being able to take our company and in one symbol represent what we do was a big challenge. With the connections, the 3 different swoops that provides that connection, that connectivity for our customers, and then again the shield in the center representing the protection that we provide. The exciting thing with the rebranding at the time of our 50-year anniversary is first to acknowledge and to give thanks for our employees for 50 years of service that they provided. And they're the ones that have made us the company that we are today. So we wanted to acknowledge that and to celebrate their efforts, and the rebrand certainly will do that.
What a great place to have been part of this growth. We're starting this as an infant, a dozen or so employees, to 250 employees. You can only imagine what that means to me. The satisfaction of ever being part of this culture and this growth is very emotional to go down that path, because really I've seen every migration, every incident that really catapulted us to the next level. I just wish I could see 50 years from now, I could see what it will be then.
I think there's a bright future for Tech Electronics, and I know that the company will continue to be successful. And to all of the employees today, I salute you for the things that are yet to come.
For our customers, what it means is a recommitment to our customers and giving them thanks for the opportunities that they've given us for 50 years, and our promise that we're going to recommit and add even more value to their businesses as we move forward in the future.